I cordially welcome you that you have given us the precious moments of your time to attend this important conference on the independence of oppressed, subjugated nations, precursor to the world peace, held by GSN Muttahida Mahaz. Honorable friends, GSN Muttahida Mahaz is a Sindhi political organization that is struggling for the emancipation and independence of historic Sindhi nation from the slavery of Pakistan. You know that Pakistan is the fascist theocratic federation. GSN Muttahida Mahaz has long been seeking the international alliances of all oppressed, subjugated nations to unite them on the single platform to raise the issue of their national independence in front of international community. And that's why GSN Muttahida Mahaz has called upon this conference of oppressed subjugated nations under the banner of the independence of oppressed subjugated nations, precursor to world peace. We have tried our best to invite and assure the presence of representative leadership, intellectuals, and political activists of all historical natural nations that are striving for their independence from the subjugation and slavery of unnatural multinational fascist states across the world. GSN Muttahida Mahaz understands that the strength of oppressed nations lies in their unity in the pursuit of their common goals, and therefore this conference is intended to strengthen and broaden the unity of oppressed subjugated natural nations against the fascist states they are enchained. GSN Muttahida Mahaz and its chairman Shafi Ghaffar has been expressing his will to formulate the counter-restrictive alliance of oppressed nations to gather them on single platform to outsource the international institutions to address the entire international community on importance and international institutions. Not only in our strength, but GSN Muttahida Mahaz has also been holding civil political protests, demonstrations to express its support for the struggle of independence of Tibetan, Kurd, Baloch, Oromo, Kashmiri, other historic oppressed subjugated nations of the world. Honorable friends, the existence of national question is a subjective truth of this era which has yet to be settled. Today's conference by JISMA is not only the political voice of subjugated, oppressed nations, but it is also leap forward to the unity of oppressed nations to pursuit of their common goal of national independence. Honorable friends, the existence of national question is the subjective truth of this era. But it's also important that we should unite for our common goal of national independence. Honorable friends, we are thankful to all the leaders, intellectuals, political activists of historic oppressed subjugated nations and German and French intellectuals and journalists who have honored us with their presence at this historic event. Your presence is the beacon of hope and courage for the oppressed people and nations of the world, and today we can surely proclaim that JISMA's intention behind this conference, its vision for the future and dream for the unity of oppressed and alliance of subjugated historic nations is destined to come true. I would like to quote our substance national poet Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai on this historic occasion. Sajan insane ehnaasi risari hai fatani ke hoye watan jan misaliyo. Miserable are those who forget their beloved motherland, for he who forgets the motherland go astray. Once again, I am thankful to you all who have joined us in this noble cause of independence of oppressed, subjugated nations and emancipation of suffering people from the humiliation of slavery. Thanks a lot.